We're hiking through snow and fog and mist. I bet you in the afternoon I'll be hiking through green fields. So it'll be a big contrast, I think. Avalanche.
Gone. I know. The mountain is right there.
Look how beautiful it is. Wow. Can't get enough of this. With the clouds and green fields and snow, the cows, blue skies, you got everything. You got everything in the shot here. Snow, green fields, rivers, waterfall, village, snow, cows, blue skies. Everything here. Beautiful. Wow, I'm loving this hike. with the snow, cows, and a little bit of green fields and flowers. Look at this. Flowers mixed in with snow. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Totally surrounded by snow. Snow and wildflowers, mountains. You can see a little bit of Mount Eiger right there coming out. Mountains are coming out. I think the weather is improving. So by the time I get back to the cliff walk, hopefully I can see Mount Eiger. There is nobody on this road right now. This is usually a very popular hike. But right now I'm lucky enough to have the trail to myself. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh look. Hordes of tourists coming. So that was a short-lived alone in the trail. Okay, only 10 minutes away to Bachalpsee. We have gotten to the lake right there. Not as pretty as I had hoped. Usually when the sun's shining, it's like blue or greenish color. All right, we are at the lake. And we got a little bit of sun peeping out. And it's time for lunch. So it's around noon. I'm gonna eat my lunch here and then head back. Here is my lunch. Ham sandwich. And iced tea was like $4.50 Swiss francs. So let's take a look at the sign here. We're at Bachalpsee, 2271 meters. Back to the cable car is 50 minutes. You could walk all the way to Grindelwald. You could walk all the way to Grindelwald for 2 hours and 30 minutes. And then that way you could catch a train 4 hours. Or you could go to Grindelwald this way too. That way. And I think that's the intermediate station. Hour and 30 minutes. And you could catch a bus this way too, Bachalpsee. That way. So it must be the trail that way.